quick SERUM 2 tutorial on Hypho, that vibration. It's just sort of a glide, subby, harmonic, 808 style bass, so check it out. First of all, I'll show you just this quick saw for the lead, and I'm just using default saw. I've got this envelope on here, LFO1, and it's down 1%. Just takes it down a bit. Makes you want to have a look at that. I will be leaving this project in the free members Patreon, so click the link below if you want this project, and these presets will be in there. So grab a SERUM 2, pull in this MIDI into here. I'm going to mute this one. I'll start with the envelope thing so it's in key, and that sounds without it. Totally out of key, put that one there, matrix, LFO1, double arrow, down 1% for this one, and we want global main tuning. Cool, also we add the glide on this one because it's like 808 style glide. Cool, put the sub on, random down, and I'm going to go straight for this FFT at seconds this time, and then I'm going to go for this here, Alt Shift click, get some resonance. That might be a quicker way to do it. And then add the distortion, soft clip. You can add that to the filter. Press post. Now that's cutting it too far down. Alt Shift click. Cool, so that's probably a bit of a better way to do it. I'll save that as well, that'll be in there, so it's... And make sure you check out the Patreon for other load of presets, samples and all that if you haven't got all that. And load of free stuff in there too. Called it, this will be in the June one, but I'm going to give you this one now. So if you want to have a quick go.